Happy Veganuary, day 7. Another day, another polar vortex here in Toronto. The weather is dipping down to -12 tonight, but it will feel like -19 with the wind chill. All I know is that John at school really shouldn't have taken that bet to stick his licked finger to the soccer net. What's a polar vortex? Well, some climate scientists, like my friend René Van Westen, believe that it's freezing air currents from the Arctic intruding on warmer regions, which is why it's called climate change and not global warming. Here's what kids can do. Make hot chocolate after school to get your feeling back into your face. Go vegan and have vegan chicken stew with dumplings for dinner to warm you up. Talk to your parents about your worries, or bring down the oil and gas industry. Anyways, about this chicken stew. In a large pot, add 30 milliliters or 2 tablespoons of olive oil and warm. Add 1 chopped medium onion to the pot and 3 chopped stalks of celery and cook until the onion is translucent. Add 2 sliced carrots and 1 crushed clove of garlic and cook for 1 more minute. Add 60 milliliters or 1/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour. Slowly pour in 1 liter or 4 cups of vegan chicken stock. Then 250 milliliters or 1 cup of oat cream. I'm using this one because it's new and I want to try it out, and it's Earth's own. Stir constantly until thick. 2 milliliters or half a teaspoon of dried thyme. 5 milliliters or 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, or if you have fresh, just use a little bouquet. 250 milliliters or 1 cup of frozen peas. 225 grams or 8 ounces of vegan chicken. I'm using Gardein plant-based strips. And a few pinches of salt and pepper. Bring to a boil, then lower the heat and simmer for 10 minutes. While it's simmering, combine 500 milliliters or 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 15 milliliters or 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 5 milliliters or 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 milliliters or half a teaspoon of black ground pepper. Combine and add 188 milliliters or 3/4 cup of oat milk and 60 milliliters or 1/4 of a cup of melted vegan butter. Mix until a ball of dough forms. Add in heaping spoonfuls to the simmering soup. Once they've been added, cover the pot and let simmer for 15 minutes. This looks so good. Let's try it. That's so good. Not bad. That's really good. Please click the link below to watch my interview with René to find out more about Arctic currents. And remember, together kids can save the world. Thank you. Bye. That's so good.